Hey there, and welcome back to the Deep Dive.
Hey, everyone.
Today we're tackling an app called Rupeepack. You might have heard of it. There's been a lot of buzz online.
Yeah, quite a bit. Mostly around this glittering promise, you could say.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The idea that you can actually earn money, maybe even withdraw cash, just by using the app.
Right. It's a story we hear pretty often with apps, isn't it? So our goal today is really to, cut through all that chatter.
Get straight to the truth.
Exactly. We're using a really solid, honest review from the YouTube channel X Guide. They properly dug into this app.
So we can figure out, is Rupeepack a legit way to earn, or is it just, well, sophisticated hype?
Let's find out.
Okay, so let's unpack it. The main thing drawing people in, the thing causing all the excitement, is that financial bit. People are downloading it thinking they'll get paid.
Yeah, absolutely. But what's kind of fascinating here, or maybe ironic, is that the app itself actually does something useful, something legitimate.
Oh, really? Beyond the money claims. Yeah, totally separate from the money stuff. If you strip away all the earning hype, Rupeepack is fundamentally just a contact backup and sharing tool, and apparently quite a robust one.
A contact tool, like for your phone contacts.
Precisely. It helps you back them up securely, share them even offline, which is a nice touch.
Okay.
And the review highlighted it's pretty easy to use, importing, exporting, managing your contacts digitally. That side of it seems perfectly sound.
Okay, so it works. As a contact manager, it actually works. That's useful, definitely. But, well, it's hardly the kind of thing that usually drives viral get-rich-quick claims, is it?
No, exactly.
Yeah.
That's the head scratcher. Our source, X-Guide, confirmed the core function is totally legit, efficient even.
Which makes you wonder, right? If they built a genuinely functional, useful app, a real product, why tack on these potentially misleading earning promises? It seems like a weird strategy.
It does seem counterintuitive, and that's the paradox the X-Guide review really helped clarify. Their deep dive was pretty conclusive.
And what did they find?
They found that the claims about earning or withdrawing money are, well, misleading is putting it mildly. The mechanism just isn't there.
So it's not like the feature is buried or hard to use. It's just absent.
Exactly that. There's just no evidence in the app itself. No reward system was found, no way to actually get payouts, no verifiable financial benefits connected to using it.
Wow.
Yeah, the review confirmed, while it works great as a contact manager, the actual parts you'd need, the UI elements, the back-end systems for tracking earnings or processing withdrawals, they just weren't built.
So Rupeepack is legit in one sense as a tool for managing contacts, but that legitimacy completely evaporates when you look for the promised cash.
That sums it up perfectly.
Okay.
So connecting this back for you, the listener, this app is genuinely okay, maybe even good,
Yeah.
for managing your address book, for backups. It does that job. But you absolutely should not download it expecting to make any money. Don't count on cash rewards or payouts, because according to the evidence we have, they don't exist. It's essentially a contact utility wearing a money-making costume.
Right. So the bottom line we wanted to uncover. Rupeepack is a functional contact tool, yes. But the financial benefits everyone's talking about seems like pure hype, probably just to get more downloads. Know what you're actually getting.
Yeah, definitely. And, this whole situation, it really highlights something we see a lot, this gap.
Between function and promotion.
Exactly. The gap between what an app actually does, its real utility, and the sometimes really aggressive claims used to promote it. It makes you think, doesn't it?
How so?
Well, it raises a question for you, for all of us, really, as we choose digital tools. How often should we maybe force ourselves to prioritize the verified, proven function, what we know it does, over the flashy, rumored promise of rewards that might not even be real?
That's a really good point. Function versus fantasy. Something definitely worth mulling over next time you see a viral app promising the world.
Food for thought.